Now I bet you if I lift the chain, there will be dirt and debris underneath. Look at the color of this. Salam, hello and welcome. If you remember 2 episodes ago, I was talking about the KTM chain. When you lube your bike's chain, use WD-40. It's my favorite, and always wipe off the excess. So today we're going to be doing the servicing for dirt bike chain the right way. Because that chain was soaked in motor oil, which is not ideal for dirt bikes, it's just sand and dirt magnet, I had to wash it with water and soap thoroughly, and I'm gonna clean it further, but I will take it off the bike. So this is the master link. Please make me a simple favor. Like the video, subscribe, activate that notification bell so you don't miss on the uploads that I do. And there will be a very interesting series for this bike. I'm going through the whole bike, and there will be lots of things to do and lots of things for you to learn. Including the master link pieces. And then it's spray time. I will literally soak it in WD-40. Now I bet you if I lift the chain, there will be dirt and debris underneath. Oh yeah. Just look at the color of this. I'll get rid of this filth and then continue the WD-40 bath. So it's been soaking for 10 minutes. I'm guessing that should be enough. And considering how much dirt came out, I think it's going to be much better now. Yeah, look at that. This is not just black oil. It's full of every kind of debris. I'm so glad that I'm doing this. So I'll wipe off the excess. We have to do one last step, and that's actually to lube the chain. And I'm going to do that using this lube, and it's for off-road bikes and it's for O-ring chain, and that's exactly what I have here. WD-40 did such an awesome job cleaning the chain. Alright, so now that we've got our chain lube, all we have to do is to wipe off the excess. Number one, you don't want dust and sand to be sticking on the lube and making the chain dirty again. And number two, you don't want this lube to be splashing all over your bike. I'm so glad that we removed the chain, because look at the condition of this sprocket. Now, few teeth here, they just don't exist. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going to be ordering a new one, but for now I'll put the chain back on this one, and then we can install the new sprocket when I receive it. How it rolls now. That's much better. Even the kinks are less now. So those kinks will be, I'm hoping that they will be gone by tomorrow.
24 hours later.
If you remember the chain situation that I was talking about yesterday, check out the result. But I'm not done yet. I will brush the chain to clean out some of the rust and dust and debris.
3 days later.
Now today I've got the new sprocket, so we are going to be replacing this. Now that is a drop of oil and it's coming from the stator side. So my conclusion, the crank seal on the stator side is failing, and that's why it's leaking oil. That also would explain why the exhaust is so damn hot, because there is an air leak here and the engine is running lean. So I'm not gonna ride in that condition until I get the gaskets, which I ordered, and I get the oil seal, which I ordered. Right, folks, first, I apologize for the noise in the background, but it's too hot in here in Dubai, and I run an outdoor unit AC to keep me cool a little bit. Since finally I've got the drive sprocket, the small one, I'll need to break the chain loose again, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. Last time I broke it with the pliers. This time I would like to try to break it with a flat screwdriver and a hammer. Let's see if it works. And it works. And from where I'm sitting, it seems like this plastic is held by 2 screws, and these are 8 millimeters. Now I can see some oil residue. That's probably from the previous motor oiling the chain. I'd love to clean all of that area, so I'll use some brake clean to get rid of all of that grease. This situation right here is exactly why you do not use motor oil to lubricate your chain. Wash it out with WD-40 and use a decent proper lubrication afterwards. Wipe off the excess and it will serve you for decades, I promise. Right, and now it's time to take this out, and this is 17 millimeters nut. Just like that. Oh my God, look at that sprocket. There's nothing left here. These feel so weird. Now, when you look at the new sprocket, you can see how worn out the old one was. Now I would like to clean the threads. Just making sure that the sprocket is not coming in contact with anything else. Look at that mud. Always take your time when you do such cleaning works. Do a follow-up cleaning after the brake clean with a wipe or with a cloth. Make sure all the areas are nice and clean. Yeah, and even clean the sprocket and slide in this part in. Bring the chain together and then push it in. Put back this piece. All right, so I cleaned the threads and I cleaned the screw with brake cleaner, and I'm ready to install this. I'll have to center the washer manually because this is a different design of sprocket. The torque spec for this bolt is 32.5 foot-pound. Don't ask why. Europeans. That's it. Right, let's take a look at the overall chain spin. Oh yeah, that's much better. Even the kinks are mostly gone. That is a much better spin. This is a much better chain. Now the last piece in this chain episode is reinstalling the plastic guard, and I have cleaned it, and you will not believe the amount of mud that was here. It was a nightmare, just disgusting. So, of course I cleaned the screws as well. And now I'm going to be removing this old dull looking sticker and put a new fresh one, better looking one actually. I give it a credit. I mean, it's a quality sticker. And you know the quality stickers because they come out in one piece. You have to make sure that the surface is clean, clear of any residues of the previous sticker, so it's ready to receive the new one. Right, I'm not sure what this hole is for, but I know for sure I'm not going to leave it open like that. So let's see, if the sticker will cover it, that's fine, otherwise I'll put a screw in here. I'll make sure I'll cover that hole. This looks really good. These are reflective as well. Right, well, this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, be safe, and do it yourself.